When first you came, we made a vow to love you such a lot. Your daddy, too, is proud of you, you chubby little thing. He worships you, and I do, too. What happiness you bring. If only you could stay this way, the little child you are today. My baby, you're too tiny to know how big you'll be in a very little while. You'll be going to school, and you won't want your mummy then, will you, darling? How I wish you could be my baby all the time. I wonder what the future holds for me.